Introducing the affordable electric pickup, a game-changer in the automotive industry. Hold on to your wallets, because a brand new American car company just claimed it can sell you an electric pickup for less than the price of a well-optioned Honda Civic. Bold? Absolutely. Believable? That's where the debate begins. Meet Slate, the startup that's betting the farm on a single, shape-shifting vehicle it swears will be the nation's cheapest battery-powered truck. We're talking a sticker price that starts in the mid-$20,000 range. Yes, before federal or state incentives, and yes, before the next round of tariff tantrums sends parts prices skyward. But here's where it gets controversial. Some industry watchers argue that once you add the accessories needed to make this truck feel like, well, a real truck, the final tally might not look quite so revolutionary. So what exactly are you getting for that headline-grabbing figure? Picture a two-seat micro pickup that moonlights as a five-seat SUV whenever you feel like it. Slate pulls off this Optimus Prime trick with bolt-on accessory kits. Think Lego for adults. Only the bricks cost thousands, and you'll need a free Saturday to wrestle them into place. One weekend you're hauling mulch in a stubby bed. The next, you've popped on extra panels and seats to schlep the kids to soccer practice. Versatile? Undeniably. Practical for someone who hates DIY projects? That's another question entirely. Inside, the base model keeps things Spartan. Heat and AC are standard, but anything fancier, like say a radio, is optional. There's no built-in touch. Each is a line-item upgrade, which means the $24,950 teaser price can balloon faster than you can say subscription fatigue. And this is the part most people miss. Slate isn't just rethinking the vehicle. It's rethinking the entire ownership experience. There are no traditional dealerships. You reserve your truck online, wait for a delivery window, and then hope you don't miss the FedEx guy. Scheduled maintenance? That's handled by a library of slickly produced how-to videos that walk you through oil-free drivetrain checks and software updates. Skeptics call it YouTube mechanics, while fans praise the transparency and cost savings. The company counters that a nationwide partnership with an unnamed service chain is coming soon, promising authorized repairs at over 2,500 locations. Skeptics reply, "We'll believe it when we see the sign on the door." Backing this audacious plan is a roster of investors that includes none other than Jeff Bezos. Cue the inevitable speculation. Will Prime members get free shipping on a flat-packed pickup? Could Alexa one day honk your horn from the kitchen echo? Slate isn't saying yet. Let's zoom out for a second. If Slate delivers on its promises, it could force legacy automakers to rethink how stripped down an EV can be while still feeling premium enough. If it stumbles, say quality glitches, delivery delays, or surprise price hikes, the entire experiment could become a cautionary tale about overpromising on affordability. Either way, the conversation around what an entry-level electric truck should look like is about to get very loud. So dear reader, we leave you with this. Is a DIY-friendly, smartphone-centric, Lego modular pickup the breakthrough the EV market needs? Or is it just clever marketing wrapped around a glorified golf cart? Would you roll the dice on a $25,000 electric truck that might arrive in pieces, literally and figuratively? Or does the lack of a traditional dealer network send you running back to Ford and Chevy? Sound off below. Brave early adopter or hard pass? We're all ears. Slate Auto to build affordable electric pickup truck in Indiana. Imagine a future where electric pickup trucks are not only environmentally friendly, but also affordable for the average American. This vision is about to become a reality, thanks to Slate Auto, a startup backed by none other than Jeff Bezos. The company is gearing up to produce its highly anticipated Slate truck in Indiana, and this move is set to disrupt the automotive industry in a major way. But here's where it gets interesting. Slate Auto has chosen to repurpose a former printing plant in Warsaw, Indiana, as its. This approach is not unique to Slate Auto. as other American electric car manufacturers like Rivian and Tesla have also taken over and repurposed old production facilities. However, what's remarkable about Slate Auto's approach is its commitment to creating jobs and stimulating local economic growth. The production site in Warsaw. This means that the truck can be priced competitively, with a starting price of $27,500, making it the most affordable pickup truck in the U.S. market. But what's even more intriguing is the controversy surrounding the pricing strategy. Some critics argue that the low price point may compromise on quality, while others see it as a bold move to disrupt the industry. As we consider the implications of Slate Auto's pricing strategy, we're left with a thought-provoking question. Can a low-cost electric pickup truck really deliver on its promises, or will it fall short of expectations? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think Slate Auto's approach is a game-changer, or are there potential pitfalls that the company has not considered? Let us know in the comments. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, one thing is certain. Slate Auto's move to produce the Slate truck in Indiana is a significant milestone in the journey towards a more sustainable and affordable transportation future. And as we look to the future, we can't help but wonder, what other innovations will emerge in the electric vehicle market, and how will they shape the way we think about transportation?